Hi friends, welcome to this pre-market analysis of Nifty, where on a chart we try to make informed guesses of where buyers and sellers are. So this is Nifty on a monthly time frame. This is on a daily time frame. So our analysis was Nifty this month is supposed to trade between this, that's all-time high, and this 24,390. 337. So if you can see, Nifty is beautifully taking support for the second day on this monthly level. Well, it can close below this, but the monthly candle closes above this. That's the whole idea of the monthly support level. Let's get rid of this analysis. Start with today's analysis with a monthly time frame, and Nifty is closed lower. That's a red candle for the third consecutive day. Today, the reason is totally different. There's a new proposal by RBI. It's still a proposal of a new loan pricing system. So it is basically the benchmark. So RBI has proposed that the banks go with the benchmark rate plus a variable rate. The variable rate is what is tricky now, because that now puts a lot of factors into play, like the bank's credit, cost of credit and risk, and the customer's cost of credit, customer's risk analysis. And so basically, if I go and take a loan from bank A and I go and take a loan from bank B, the interest rates could be drastically different because the banks operate at a certain risk level, and the cost of the loan could be different for the different banks. Right now also it is like that, but now that the gap could be much wider from bank to bank, and also from person to person. So right now it's marginal, but going forward it could be much wider. So that is what the market thought was a little bit negative, like the CAS closing systems that they are brought into play. There's a lot of experiments going on, nothing working well right now. On a monthly time frame, let's go move to the technicals. The bias is bullish because there are higher lows being formed. This is a low, and this, you see, the previous low is much lower, so there's a higher low formation. The two important levels: where are the sellers and where are the buyers, support and resistance. So now this is where Nifty should trade on a monthly time frame within this range, that is 80H and 22337. Going over to the weekly time frame, Nifty does not have a bias on a weekly time frame, so I won't spend much time here. There's no higher lows or lower highs formed. On a daily time frame, it's more interesting. There is no bias on it, but continuous downtrend is visible there. There are important levels you need to watch out for. For example, this is the immediate target of Nifty. Why is it a target? Let me just explain for the academically inclined. These two candles are an order block where there's a red candle, and the smart money just lures us into thinking it's a reversal, and then it brings Nifty down, taking all our stop losses. So that the midpoint of this particular move is where I would consider the mean of the order block. So that's one where I would say Nifty could take a break if it moves up. And there's a support level. This is the swing low, and that could be where Nifty could take a support if Nifty moves down. So we have a sort of smaller range there, right there, for Nifty to trade within. That's for this month on a daily time frame. On a 4-hour time frame, well, Nifty is bearish on a 4-hour time frame, and on a hourly time frame. An hourly time frame right now we do not have a bias because there are high lows, lower highs, and all kinds of movements formed. It's a consolidating and a wedge shaped market. It should break out either on the top or on the bottom. We'll see tomorrow. Well, that's that. I am not a certified analyst, and all what I say here is only for educational purpose. Thank you.